Hey, sit. Hey everybody, thought I'd give you a little bit of update here. It is Sunday, Memorial Day weekend. I'm at home. I got home late last night. It's cold and rainy. It's down to about 42 degrees now. And it's been raining since Friday, so it's pretty soggy out. You can't get any yard work done, can't cut any grass. Pretty much just to kind of stay inside kind of a day, unless you like to go shopping or something, which I'd rather just stay home. Anyway, I did get some ribeye steaks cooked on a barbecue, which is always good. That's always a treat. And that's about it. That's all that's going on. But I just like to take the time to think about Memorial Day and thank all the people that made sacrifices for this country. And especially think about and reflect on all the people that made the ultimate sacrifice for this country. But yeah, so anyway, I've been working on some videos and gonna try to get them out this week. I've been working on 3, so maybe, possibly, you might get 3 videos this week coming up after Memorial Day, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well and having a little bit better weather than this, but I know a lot of parts of the country the weather isn't too great this weekend. But anyway, hope you're having a good one, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Hey, get over here. You ready to go in? You getting wet? Let's go in. Come on, let's go in the house.